To ensure the safety of the experimental operation process, please wear protective clothing, gloves, and goggles before the experiment. Experimental preparation: distilled water, sample to be tested. 250 ml conical flask, 50 ml volumetric flask, LHCC reagents, reaction tubes, pipette. Pour the entire bottle of LHCC of 5:0 reagent into LHC 5 and shake until fully dissolved. Set aside for later use. Measure 50 ml of the sample using a volumetric flask and transfer it to a conical flask. Rinse the volumetric flask 2 to 3 times and add the rinse aid to the conical flask. Add 1 ml of LHCC or 1 reagent to the conical flask and shake to mix. Dropwise add LHCC or 2 reagent while shaking until the sample turns purple-red and remains non-fading. Add zeolite granules and heat the sample for digestion. If the sample color fades during heating, add LHC2 reagent dropwise until the purple-red color is restored. When approximately 20 ml of liquid remains, turn off the heat source. Remove the sample and cool to room temperature. Dropwise add LHCC of a reagent while shaking until the sample loses its color. Add 1 ml of LHC3 reagent to the conical flask and shake to mix. Transfer the sample back to the volumetric flask. Rinse the conical flask 2 to 3 times. Add the rinse aid to the volumetric flask and bring the volume with distilled water up to the 50 ml mark. Shake well. Add 10 ml of distilled water to reaction tube 1 blank. Transfer the processed sample to a beaker. Then pipette 10 ml into reaction tube 2. Add 0.4 ml of LHCC of 5 reagent to both reaction tubes 1 and 2. Shake well and let stand for 10 minutes. Set the instrument to heavy metal total chromium 16 mm tube mode. Wipe the optical surface of reaction tube 1 blank with lens paper and place it in the cuvette holder. Press the blank button to calibrate the instrument to 0.000. Wipe the optical surface of reaction tube to its sample with lens paper and place it in the cuvette holder. Press the measure button to obtain the total chromium concentration value of the sample.